2026 Toyota vehicles now include 5 safety technologies you definitely didn't know were coming, and they're going to change how you think about driving safety forever. While most people know about basic features like automatic emergency braking, Toyota has quietly revolutionized their entire safety ecosystem with technologies that feel like science fiction but are rolling into dealerships right now. Let's start with something that's going to save you money and potentially your reputation: the built-in drive recorder. This isn't just another dash cam you stick on your windshield. It's fully integrated into every 2026 Toyota's multimedia system as standard equipment. The system uses your vehicle's existing external cameras to record and save video clips automatically. You can trigger manual recordings for incidents you witness, and the system captures footage automatically when it detects sudden impacts or hard braking events. The sensitivity adjusts completely based on your preferences. Here's what makes this revolutionary. You can review footage directly on your vehicle's touchscreen and download clips to a USB drive for insurance claims or police reports. No more wondering what really happened in that parking lot fender bender. No more he said she said situations at intersections. The 2026 RAV4 sold 479,000 units last year alone, making it America's best-selling vehicle. And every single one now includes this technology that used to require expensive aftermarket installations. The second technology is front cross traffic alert with automatic braking, and this one tackles a scenario that terrifies every driver: blind intersections. We've all been there. You're pulling out of a parking lot or side street, your view gets blocked by parked cars or buildings, and you're basically hoping nothing's coming. This system uses advanced sensors and cameras to detect vehicles approaching from either side, even when your view is completely obstructed. But here's the game changer. It doesn't just warn you with beeps and lights. When the system identifies a genuine collision risk, it can automatically apply the brakes to prevent or reduce the severity of a crash. Think about how many close calls you've had in busy shopping center parking lots or residential intersections where visibility is poor. This technology essentially gives you X-ray vision around corners. These systems align with NHTSA's push for mandatory AEB standards by 2029, positioning Toyota ahead of upcoming regulatory requirements. The third technology might sound simple, but it tackles one of the most dangerous everyday scenarios families face: safe exit assist. Picture this. You're picking up your kids from school, parked on a busy street. Your 8-year-old reaches for the door handle just as a car comes speeding down the road behind you. Safe exit assist temporarily prevents door opening when it detects vehicles approaching from behind. The system monitors continuously and only allows doors to open when it's genuinely safe. This works alongside Toyota's blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert systems. It's particularly valuable in urban environments where cyclists, motorcycles, and fast-moving traffic create constant hazards around parked vehicles. The system distinguishes between truly dangerous situations and normal traffic flow, so you're not trapped in your car unnecessarily. Now we get to Traffic Jam Assist, which transforms one of driving's most stressful experiences into something almost relaxing. Unlike basic cruise control that only manages speed, Traffic Jam Assist provides intelligent steering, acceleration, and braking support during heavy congestion. The system maintains lane position, adjusts speed to match surrounding traffic, and can even bring your vehicle to a complete stop, all while monitoring your attentiveness through an integrated camera system. This technology comes standard on the 2026 Camry XS EAWD and XL EAWD models, and on the RAV4 Limited, AWD, and XSE Technology Package, AWD. Starting in the low 30,000s, the 2026 RAV4 includes all these technologies standard, making advanced safety accessible to mainstream buyers. When you're stuck in stop-and-go traffic on your morning commute, the system handles the tedious parts of driving while keeping you engaged and alert. It operates specifically on select highways and expressways when conditions meet safety criteria. The fatigue reduction alone makes this a significant quality of life improvement for anyone who regularly battles heavy traffic. The fifth technology represents Toyota's most ambitious safety innovation yet: Proactive Driving Assist, or PDA. While most safety systems react to imminent dangers, PDA operates in normal, low-risk driving conditions to prevent situations from becoming dangerous in the first place. The system uses forward-facing cameras and radar to continuously monitor the roadway and detect potential obstacles or hazards ahead. Toyota's pre-collision system has been shown to reduce rear-end collisions by up to 50%, and PDA extends this proactive approach to everyday driving scenarios. PDA operates in 4 distinct scenarios. Obstacle anticipation. Assist identifies objects like parked cars, construction equipment, or debris, and provides gentle braking inputs to help you maintain safe following distances. Deceleration assist automatically slows the vehicle when approaching curves or when other vehicles are detected ahead. Steering assist provides subtle corrections to help maintain proper lane position. And perhaps most impressively, the system can provide light steering inputs to help navigate around obstacles while maintaining vehicle control. What makes PDA revolutionary is its proactive nature. It's constantly working to keep you out of trouble before trouble finds you. This is completely different from Toyota's pre-collision system, which activates when an accident is imminent. PDA operates continuously during normal driving, making tiny adjustments that feel natural and keep you safer without being intrusive. While competitors like Honda Sensing and Nissan ProPilot offer similar features, Toyota's integrated approach across their entire 2026 lineup sets a new industry standard. All of these technologies run on Toyota's new Arene software development platform, developed by Toyota's Woven by Toyota subsidiary. The Arene platform marks Toyota's first software-defined vehicle architecture, representing a fundamental shift from hardware-dependent systems to updatable, intelligent software. This represents Toyota's first major step toward fully software-defined vehicles. The platform enables over-the-air updates, meaning your 2026 Toyota can receive new safety features and improvements without requiring dealership visits. As Toyota's Chief Branding Officer Simon Humphries stated during the May 2025 global debut, Arene moves Toyota and WBT closer to their shared vision of a software-defined future with zero accidents. The implementation strategy is remarkable. Toyota includes SafetySense 3.0 as standard equipment across the entire 2026 lineup, with no premium packages required and no optional add-ons necessary. Every Corolla, Camry, RAV4, and Highlander includes the full suite of active safety technologies. The entry-level trim gets the same safety systems as top-tier models. Additionally, every SUV in the 2026 lineup features the even more advanced Toyota SafetySense 4.0. These comprehensive safety suites have earned Toyota vehicles consistently high IIHS Top Safety Pick Awards, reinforcing their commitment to industry-leading protection. What's particularly impressive is the global scale of this rollout. The RAV4 alone sells in over 180 markets worldwide, with more than 1 million units sold globally last year. This means these safety innovations aren't limited to premium markets. They're becoming standard technology for millions of drivers worldwide. The 2026 model year represents a fundamental shift in automotive safety philosophy. Instead of reacting to accidents, these systems work continuously to prevent them. Instead of being luxury features available only on expensive trims, they're standard equipment accessible to every buyer. And instead of being static technologies that never improve, they're updatable systems that will continue evolving through over-the-air updates. These 5 technologies, built-in drive recorder, front cross traffic alert with automatic braking, safe exit assist, traffic jam assist, and proactive driving assist, represent more than incremental improvements. They're part of Toyota's comprehensive reimagining of vehicle safety for an increasingly complex driving environment. Whether you're navigating busy intersections, managing highway congestion, or simply trying to keep your family safe in everyday driving situations, these systems work together to create multiple layers of protection that were unimaginable just a few years ago. The 2026 Toyota lineup proves that advanced safety technology doesn't have to be complicated, expensive, or intrusive. Sometimes the most revolutionary changes happen so seamlessly that you barely notice them, until the moment they potentially save your life. Hit that like button and subscribe for more honest automotive insights based on actual data.